That was so much fun, and yet I'm pretty sure almost killed me. So Jess just went home. Well, she just left. We went to go try and get boba, like bubble tea, and it did not end well because she drives a stick and she's never driven in Ottawa. And I don't know if you've ever driven in Ottawa, but it is not fun. And it has like the weirdest freaking, like, I don't even know. But it's not fun, and it's definitely not fun in a stick, and it's definitely not fun in a stick for the first time ever. So after those 2 days, I am bloated, my head is pounding, it will not stop, and I am absolutely exhausted, but it was so worth it. I haven't even had caffeine this morning, and that actually might be why I'm having a headache. Okay, so glad I figured that out. I'm gonna put on some comfy clothes because I don't want jeans right now. And then I need to do a shit ton of laundry, a whole bunch of dishes. I'm just gonna go for a shower overall because I feel gross. And then it's just gonna be a day of probably relaxing. I don't even know. I'm so tired. Like seriously. Oh my God. Like, I don't look good. I'm currently editing this video and just realized that I literally did like 4 minutes of putting my dishes away and then just stopped. Like I have no idea what I did yesterday that I didn't, like, I don't even know. My head is still pounding. It's literally the next day and my head just started pounding again. And I have no clue what is happening anymore. I've got like so thrown off schedule that I have no idea. So anyways, that is the end. I did my dishes and then I sat on the couch and I slept, and that is all I did yesterday. And yeah, so I don't even know. Today's even worse because it's literally just studying and trying to catch up on some editing. Hopefully Alberta vlogs will be more fun. Yeah.